Hi everyone! Today I'm testing Peachybbies' secret slime recipes that she revealed on her channel yesterday. I will be testing out peach ring, candy fluff, and of course cloud cream. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a slime video. Also, if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to enter my current giveaway. You still have time to do that. Check down in the description box for what you need to do to enter. Also, all the ingredients and supplies used in this video will be linked down below for you so you can see exactly where I buy my supplies for my slime. The first recipe I will be trying out is Andrea's Peach Ring Gummy Slime. I'm using 1 cup of clear glue and then I'm adding in my peach scent. And Andrea said that this is what made her slime a little cloudy looking. Now I'm adding some food coloring. For me, it didn't. I'm using a different type than she did. So I did decide to add a little lotion to my slime. This is not something that she did, but I just wanted to make my slime cloudy, and this is what I usually do with my gummy slimes. So I put 2 pumps of lotion in there, and I also added a little yellow food dye because I felt like the orange color was a little too orange. Now I am going to activate slowly. I'm doing half a teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of warm water. One thing Andrea didn't do in her video for her recipes was give the exact amount of glue that she was using. She did approximately say about how much she was using, but she didn't say 1 cup or 1 bottle of glue exactly. So I decided that I would just do 1 cup for all of these recipes. So that's basically 2 4-ounce bottles of glue. I'm pretty happy with the way that this peach ring gummy slime turned out. If you would like an update on how it looks tomorrow, check my Instagram because I will be posting a video there. The next slime that I'll be testing out is Andrea's Candy Fluff. And I'm starting by adding 1 cup of white glue, then I scented with cotton candy, and now I'm adding like a blue pearl paint and mixing that all up. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Andrea said to use 1/3 the amount of cornstarch that you did glue. So I did a 1/4 cup. I ended up adding another 1/4 cup. So I'm up to a 1/2 cup at this point. I was trying to get a thick consistency like she was talking about. I just couldn't get it with just a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And later in the video, you'll also see me add another 1/4 cup. So for me, it took 3/4 cup of cornstarch, and I think that it could have actually done more. So I am actually going to test out this recipe doing equal amounts cornstarch and glue because I think it might turn out nice, but I don't know. I'll have to see. So now I am activating the slime. I didn't have pink sprinkles like Andrea used in her video, but I did happen to have these colorful rainbow sprinkles that banggood.com sent me for free, so I thought that I would test them out and see how I'd like them in my slime. If you're interested in checking out their website, I will have that link down below for you. I really am happy with how this slime turned out. I am curious to test it with more cornstarch to see if it ruins it or makes it better, so I will be doing that in the future, but overall, very happy with the recipe. Now it's cloud cream time. So I'm starting with 1 cup of white glue, and then I'm coloring it with some greenish paint, pearl paint, and I didn't have big black glitters like Andrea did. I had more fine ones, so I just used those. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of that hydrogel that she speaks of in her video. And now I'm scenting it mint chip and just mixing that all up. She said to keep mixing until it reaches kind of like a, I actually forgot what she said, but just a thicker consistency. And now I'm activating. She said that it's going to take more activator because of the hydrogels that are in this. So I'll just keep adding activator until it comes together. I really like the way this slime turned out. It's pretty similar to the sorbet type icy slime that's kind of floating around Instagram right now. I did a video a few days ago on it. That's my video. That's the secret slime video. And it's basically the only difference is you're using the hydrogel stuff, but you're using clear glue. So using clear glue gets you just kind of a different feel and different texture than the white glue does. But I highly recommend testing this slime out. It's pretty amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All these recipes worked fine for me. So I hope they work for you too, because they are pretty neat slimes. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to check me out on all other forms of social media. I'm Rainbow Playmaker everywhere except Twitter. I'm RB Playmaker. Hope to see you around the internet. See you next time.